everybody, it's Matt Shu from Upright Health. In today's video, we're going to be talking about walking outside. I got an email question from Marco, who's a student in my back pain fix program, and he says, just a quick question. I am surprised how little importance you give to walking outside. You recommend just 5 minutes a day during the first 5 weeks. What's the reason for that, and why is that not more? So, in the Back Pain Fix program, one of the lifestyle changes that I ask all my students to make in the first 5 weeks, in the first phase, is to go for a 5-minute walk outside every day, preferably without your phone and no screens with you so that you can just disconnect. And Marco is saying, hey man, that's not enough. Like, how can you say just 5 minutes is enough? And so he's confused. What's the deal? So here's the thing. I believe getting outside is extremely important. Being disconnected from your phone is extremely important. And also, it's a great way to clear your head, clear your mind, get some fresh air, some sunshine. It's just good for you in many, many ways. So on that, Marco and I are super aligned. Now, the point about the short period of time is this. A lot of you out there watching this probably, a lot of you out there watching this, especially if you have back pain and you're starting something like the Back Pain Fix program, you have certain habits that probably don't involve walking at all. And many people with back pain are often feeling like, oh, they're so feeble, they can't do anything, they don't want to do anything that's going to feel like a challenge, or that may hurt their back more, right? So something like going out for a walk outside without any clear purpose is often a very daunting suggestion. People who don't regularly go outside to do things are internally resistant to the idea of going out to walk. So when you're establishing a new habit, when I'm asking somebody to do something new, I'm going to err on the side of asking you to do a very small amount. And this is an idea that I picked up from Atomic Habits, which is a great book, which I'll link to if I remember to. But Atomic Habits, fantastic book for helping you establish good habits. And the idea is if you just make the first step really easy, so easy that you can't possibly say no to it, then it's a lot easier to start making it a regular thing. So instead of telling you to go walk 30 minutes a day, which you won't do if you don't already walk outside, I'm just asking you to do a small amount. Just do 5 minutes a day. Just do something manageable so that you look at it and you say, 5 minutes, I can do that. No problem, 5 minutes, right? So if I started with telling you to go do 50 push-ups a day, you would maybe do it one day, maybe 2 days, and then when the soreness hits, then you'd be like, oh, I'll take tomorrow off, and take 2, 3, 4 days off, and then you stop doing it, right? But if I tell you, hey, just do 2 push-ups a day, it's really easy to do, and in your mind, you might say, well, okay, I can do 2, let me do 2. I'll wake up and do 2, that's no problem, right? And then eventually over time, you could build that to 3, you could build that to 4, 5, 10, 20, whatever you want. And it would be better for your body, by the way, to do it in that pace instead of doing 50 right at the beginning, because that's kind of crazy. Okay, so the big takeaway here is that if you're going to start any habit for your own fitness, your range of motion, your strength, your mental health, think about starting with a small, manageable piece that's almost so silly that you can't not do it. And that'll help you build and build and build until your body or your mind, whatever it is, feels better. You will improve in many ways if you can establish your habits first using a small chunk and then building it up into a bigger chunk. So Marco, great question about walking when you have back pain. I hope this makes things clear. If you're out there, you have back pain and you're wondering, should I even be walking? The answer is yes. Just being sedentary isn't going to be good for you. And if you're looking for a program to help you with back pain, a program that's going to give you simple workouts to do on a daily basis that are manageable, that you can definitely accomplish, then be sure to check out the Back Pain Fix program. It's also going to help you address some of those lifestyle issues that put you in pain and make you a grumpy, angry person overall. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, share this with somebody you know with back pain who doesn't want to walk, or somebody with back pain, it's cool. And if you want to thank me and support this channel, hit that thanks button down below here on YouTube. As always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.